This was hands down the most damaged, cracked floor we have ever seen in a house. The foundation was completely ruined, and most people told us to just tear it down and start over.
But our team loves a good challenge. We decided to bring out the heavy industrial tools. First, the team had to grind down the rough edges. Every single crack needed to be filled and leveled, because even a minor mistake ruins the whole finish. Then came the most satisfying part, creating the magic formula. Pure, shimmering liquid gold.
Now for the magic. We mixed pure metallic gold with liquid obsidian black. Watching this thick resin blend and form natural marble veins is incredibly satisfying. As we poured the thick liquid across the concrete, it instantly began creating natural marble waves. Every move had to be perfectly smooth to make the layer flawless, looking almost like pure liquid silk. Watching the golden veins find their place across the dark, glossy canvas is incredibly mesmerizing. And after hours of hard work, the transformation was complete. Look at that mirror reflection!
From total garbage scrap to a $1 million luxury villa floor. Rate this epic transformation from 1 to 10 in the comments below.